So now let's see how we can work around with media and text block inside of wordpress.com. So in order to go ahead and work around with the media and text block, I'm going to go in between two blocks and click on add block right here and then type in media right here. And over here you can see that media and text block is an option. So now you can see that I have a media area and a content area right here. Let me just go around over here and upload out an image on the media area right here. So let's just go around over here and let's say, for example, select this particular image that I have right here on the left hand side. So you can see that it is being uploaded, and you can go ahead and change to wide width right here just like this. You can go for none right here. You can also go ahead and align it to the middle and align it to the right, as you can see right here. And in the content area, you can go ahead and add in a text. Let's say, for example, I'm going to go ahead and add in sample text right here, just like this. Go around over here, add in sample text, and you can see that I got this text right here, just like this. I can go ahead and select this, and let's say, for example, center align it or left align it right here, just like this, and work around with it according to how I want. And this is what you have. So let's just go around over here and add in a bunch of text right here. And then you can see that as per this particular block, the media block right here can be readjusted according to how you want right here. And this is a single block. If I were to go ahead and preview this, then you can see that right here. So if I were to go ahead and scroll down, you'll be able to see that media block. So I haven't actually saved this, so let's just go ahead and then let's say, for example, save this out first. So let's just go around over here, save this, and then go around onto the preview, and you can see this particular block right here, just like this. If I were to go on to this particular block, you can replace out the image as you want as well by utilizing the replace option. Around over here on the right, you can see that as I click on this, you get the paragraph graph block option. Like, you can go ahead, change it into subtitle or display or annotation right here, just like this. And you can also go ahead and change around the text settings according to how you want by changing out the color, the size, and so forth according to how you want right here. Change around the dimensions, margins as well. So if I were to go around and click on the image right here, then you can see that I can change around the media width and so forth right here, just like this, and work around with the padding and everything else as I want as well. So that is how you can go ahead and work around with the media and text block inside of wordpress.com. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.